So we're gonna sing a song for you guys.
Not really, but we're gonna be stupid with it.
Yeah.
Okay. Here, this is for Tyler.
This is for Tyler. Engage.
This isn't it. This isn't it.
Okay. Why are you so obsessed with me? Oh my god. When I don't even
know who you are. Your house silly up in your car. We know
LA.
Age up in the A. He's so lame. When he even mentions your name, must be the Wade. Must be the Pop it, you get it poppin'. Oh, why are you so obsessed with me?
For I wanna know
Why is that you're sexing me?
everybody knows. It's clear that you're obsessed with me. Finally.
But you couldn't impress. Last man on the earth still couldn't hit this. You're
Delusional, you're delusional. You're more mine.
It's confusing.
You're confusing.
Why you wasting your time? You all fixed up with your here I do like your Windex boy. Oh. Boy, why are you so obsessed with me? You hit hard, we don't need you, we're gonna let you stop. I'm ventilation.
Waiting.
Tell the world how much you miss me. So why you tripping? Man, I'm a corporation. Oh, why you so obsessed with me? Boy, I wanna know. Lying that you're sexing me when everybody knows.
What's your picture, Tyler?
Man on the earth still couldn't get this. Boy, you're losing your mind. It's confusion, oh, why confusion, oh, why you wasting your time? Got you all fired up, watching the boy and come, but see right through you like a minute with that song. Boy, why are you so upset?
Oh, there it is.
Gage, obsessed. Lying that you're sexing me. Oh, could impress. Man on the earth still couldn't hit this.